Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be working with these nails. They're the medium T type instead of my normal stiletto type, and we're back with one of these with me pencil, me tape and the nail on top of it. Tomorrow I'm definitely getting me stand. You've got a new little work stop. You went out further up high, like way up high, and I'm going to be using the Beatles nail polish as I always do. So we get in with the base coat so that way the nail can stick onto there. Push that out of the way, we don't need that. So, and I got a UV lamp, so that will be so much easier. So make sure this is stuck onto there so it doesn't go anywhere. So we do middle, right, left, middle, right, left. And this is to 120 seconds. So I'm going to do two of these, two number 60s. And I'll be back once that is done. Enjoy the jump cut. And I'm back again. I know, it's like 3 different bloody times. All day. Right, I'm going to make sure this is properly stuck on. I may have a bit of problems with this, because for some reason it's not curing anything. So I may have to go back to this. But I'll keep that on hand. So I'm going to use this colour by Beatles. So we'll put this on. Scrape. You may be noticing that the nail is wobbling. That is nothing I can do to help now. And that should be alright. And the back. As you can see, I had to put new tape on because it just kept falling off. It looks a bit dull in that, and it looks a little bit like that. But that's because I had to cure it on 90 seconds on this 4 times, and it's still sticky. But it'll be fine. I'm doing a Christmas theme, so I'm gonna do that one, this little one right there. So for that we're gonna need this and this. So I'll put you there for now. You can still see it, it's in frame. So I'm going to do the penguin. I'm going to take this off so it's ready. I'm going to put some of this on. Stamping gel. And then I'm just going to do that. Do that, that and that. Make sure to get it all over. Do a little bit more. That might be too much, but it'll be fine. Of course, we're not going to drop it. I'm going to scrape it, and I'm going to stamp it. Perfect, it's on there. And then, don't worry about the mess, I will clean that up. I'm going to tap away what I don't want to use, what I do not want on the nail. Just going to try and carefully get that off. And there's a little penguin. So I'm going to stamp it right into here. I'm going to put it right in the middle. And try and get it into the middle. If my big fat head is in the way, I do apologise. Perfect! It's on there. And there's that little penguin. Yeah, as you can see, I have messed up down there. But this is still going to go on YouTube because I'm not really bothered. It's still going to go on YouTube. Right, so we clean up a little bit. So we'll make sure the lid's back on. Wipe this down. And I'm going to put little snowflakes on top. So we're going to need the big mess back out. So put that up there. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to use this lot of snowflakes down here. Make sure there's a lot on, and then I'm going to scrape it off at a 40-degree angle, 45 sorry, and I'm going to pick all that up as much as I can. I'm going to tap it all off. Scrape away what I don't want. I've got 2 little snowflakes on there, that will be perfect, and I'm just going to put them both on the bottom. One there and one here. And then I'm just going to press it all in. So we've got 2 little snowflakes at the bottom. So tighten the lid back on, clean up our mess again. I'm going to bring me trusty dusty flash cure thing, and then I'm going to do these coloured gems. I think these will pop out really nice. So we'll put that to one side. We'll grab a waxing pencil, and this joint sealant. You get this from Amazon. You get 2 for like £6 UK. I don't know how much it is in other countries. So I'm going to pick out the colour that I want, which is this one. So now I'm going to do quite a few. So I'm going to pick them up, and I'm just going to put them there because I do not have a tray to put them in. So we'll do 4. I think 4 would look really nice with this one. Let's see, what other colour should we do? Should we do this one in the middle of the snowflakes? So we do this one. So there's 2 snowflakes, so I need to get 2 of these out. And I'm going to get one of these red ones, and I'm going to put it on the little hat. So we'll close this up, this to one side. So I'm going to start off with these little ones here, and then I'm going to do the red, then I'm going to do with the 4 big ones. So take it off like that, and then you squeeze just a little one. My hand's not very steady. Just a little, you don't need a lot. Put that to one side. Turn that over. So you pick it up like that, and then you just blob it on. It dries clear-ish. Oh, you blob it on. I'm going to use this to, I'm going to press it down. There we go. And now for the top of his hat. There we go. Sorry for that. So we'll pick up the red. Try and get it on the tip. Makes things a little bit easier. And now I'm just going to put 4 little blobs all around, just randomly. No thought process. Then we'll put the lid back on. And then we'll pop that on, there, that one there, that one there, pick it up, pop that one there, and then we'll pop that one there. And then we'll flash cure it for 60 seconds, and I'll be back once that is done. Right, all that's left to do is to put a top coat on to make this shiny, and then I'll be back once that's fully cured, because that takes this 490 seconds to put a top coat on. I do not know why. I think I messed up on getting the wrong UV lamp. So I'll be back once that is done, I promise. Welcome back. It is completely done, the nail, and if you've stuck around this long enough, thank you for staying around to watch the entire video. If you've skipped to the end, that's fine, I'm still going to show you. So you ready for the reveal? Ready for the countdown? 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Let's see if I can get a close up. There we go. Little penguins, some snowflakes, little charm on the top for the hat. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you watch out for the video next month, there will be a little tour of everything that I've got, everything that I've set up. It'll only be me nails, where I've put me nails. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. I do post every day. Enjoy. Bye for now.